Welcome to Catherine Paints. Today I am continuing my playing with the burgundy, the navy, and I'm going to call it Persian blue. I made it with the phthalo, so all the materials will be listed below. Let's see. I think I will start with the Persian blue. I'm really trying to find out what color combination that I like best because I have a canvas project that I need to do. All right, there's what I'm calling Persian, homemade Persian. We'll put a little bit of gold. Yeah, it's a lot more than I meant to put, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna put the navy. Now the burgundy. Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit more gold. Really want to see how these colors are going to play together. All right, there we go. I have some bubbles that I need to pop before we go any further. Okay, should be good. All right. Okay. Now I'm going to blow it out. Maybe if I can pick it up. Okay. I'm just going to blow one more time right here. Well, I said that, but... Whoa! Okay. All right. Okay. It has risen up to the top. I wanted to point out, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like the cells that have formed, like have the gold inside of them. I love how it has like the burgundy and the gold and the blue all in one cell. So cool. And the gold is just lining the blue and stuff. It looks really pretty. I like it. So anyway, we'll see how it turns out. Let's start spinning. Are you ready to rumble? All right, let's go the other way. All right, let it stop and see where we're at. Still gonna need a little bit more. So we've got one corner already almost completely covered. I am loving this. I'm loving the two different colors of blue. Wow, yes. Let's go back the other direction. We're almost done, I think. All right, let's see where we're at. Wow. That is stunning. Wonder if I need to, don't really have to go off this corner. Really kind of like it. Wow. All right, guys, I've got to bring you in for a close-up. This is crazy pretty. All right, hold on just a second. I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here's the wet close-up. Trying to get around that ring light. Look at that, the lacing and the cells. Wow. That is crazy. I am loving this color combination. The gold really helps it bring everything out. Let's try it without the overhead light. Let's see if you can see it better. Oh yeah. Wow. Now I have to decide if I want to do like an 8x8 square canvas, gallery wrapped. I don't know. I'm thinking I might even do a 4-piece. I might do the 4-piece with this color combo. I am loving it. So, all right. Wow, wow, wow. Give me a minute and I will show you the dried results. All right, here are the almost dried results for this one. It's a little damp in the middle, but wanted to go ahead and get close-ups. I am loving the shimmer on this gold. Let's see if I can get it better. There we go. See how shimmery it is? So pretty. I love Arteza's gold. Of course, I love everybody's gold. So, check out that lacing and those cells. Like color within color. I think this color combination is the winner. So I'm going to do my 4-piece. They're 6-inch canvases. And they form one big, they'll go together. And I'm going to do one bloom on each one. And then hopefully they'll all fit together and look good together. And they will be this color combination with the navy, my homemade Persian, and burgundy, and this gold with the white topper. So yes, I am loving these colors. I think the gold just really adds to it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and my next bloom video will be of the 4-piece. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.